after making duck videos, I've been seeing a lot come through my feed, and they are now my competition. I got way more ducks. Way more ducks than in any of those videos. Ducks be ducking out here. Oh, look, they're coming in. They want a piece. Let's see if they'll push them aside. Those are the whistlers. They're a lot smaller. So they get bullied by all these. That's the asshole. Look at you. Yeah. Oh, look, Mr. Mullet. What up? Let me see that fluff. Let me see that mullet. Yeah. Business in the front, party in the back. Shorty, what you drank. Here, so I'm getting a good handful right here. Yeah, a lot of it's sinking. That's not good for the material. Dude, that thing's got balls. Amongst all those ducks. Oh, are you asking for some?